This isn't the Ritz, although you might think so. It's definitely not your average condo. This is hotel-style living in the heart of Irvine. 19-foot high ceilings, so high even your dreams have room to grow. And here's the thing, Orange County isn't just beautiful, it's smart. Homes here don't just hold their value, they climb. And a chef's kitchen with a gorgeous view. Step outside and you are just minutes from some of the best beaches in California. World-class shopping, just around the corner, Fashion Island and South Coast Plaza. Are you craving sushi, steak, or Michelin 5 stars? You are surrounded by it. So no, this isn't the Ritz-Carlton. It's even better. It's 5-star living every single day.